Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the SKYVIK TRUHOLD Magnetic Airvent / Dashboard Mobile Holder. There's an image of the mobile holder on the box, so this is something that can be attached to a dashboard or the air vent, the AC vent of a car. This is primarily to be used inside a car. This comes with a cradle-free design for mobiles and tablets, N45 strong magnets. That's Neodymium N45 strong magnets, which is pretty strong. 2 years of warranty and hold phones 360 degree. Basically comes with a 360 degree base right over here and secure from bumps. Contains 1 unit magnetic holder, 1 unit 3 meter dashboard attachment, air vent attachment, rectangular metal plate, round metal plate, protective films. 2 protective films. And that's it. I'll open this box and show you what's inside. So this is what you will find inside the box. There are a lot of documents here. Let me just quickly take you through them first. Okay. These are product information brochures from SKYVIK. 1, 2, 3 product information brochures from SKYVIK over here. Right, there you go. We also have product instructions for this particular device. You have to basically go to this video on YouTube and check it out. This is a word of caution from SKYVIK, and this is a thank you note from SKYVIK right over here, along with this, which is also a thank you note from SKYVIK. Now let's take a look at the actual component, actual product. This is the SKYVIK TRUHOLD Magnetic Mobile Holder. So this comes with this comes with 2 protective films. So this is one and this is the other. You'll notice that there are 2 ball attachments. This is for attaching it to the AC vent, and this is for when you want to attach it to the dashboard. So suppose you want to attach this to the base, and this is the base, by the way. So suppose you want to attach it to the base, you have to remove this nut and put it on top of the ball, and then push the ball in and tighten the nut like so. And there you go, it's tight now. Now this is basically ready to use. So what we do is, this is the part that you'll attach to the dashboard, and over here is where the magnet goes in. For the magnet, we have this packet, a lot of stuff here. I will show you what they are. So this is sticker as well. This is basically a rectangular metal plate, and this is the magnetic base, in case you were wondering. So it goes in, it snaps in like this. It's very tight, you have to slide it off, and there is a circular version as well. Using it is actually pretty simple. All you have to do is insert, either attach this side of the metallic plate to the back of your smartphone, or if you have a smartphone cover like I have right now, you can just insert this piece of metal, or even this piece of metal for that matter, over here, and then put a cover on top. And now this will just hold on top of the magnetic holder. The magnet's working right now, so even if I insert this, it's not going to go anywhere. So yeah, this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the SKYVIK TRUHOLD Magnetic Airvent / Dashboard Mobile Holder. Thank you for watching.